we understand, guys. Of course, you're taking videos and photos, but wag lang po masyadong mataas para nakakaharap. And let's cherish this moment. Kasi forever na mapapanood nyo yan. Pero minsan lang to na nasa harapan natin siya. So let's cherish this moment and savor our experience in real life with Kim Chi. There you go.
Yes, I really do want to go eye to eye with all of them.
So, we fill up the profile from the Philippines. Are you ready? Handa ka na ba magsulat? Ready ka na?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, guys, so I don't know if you know the answers to the questions or to the category, but iisa-isahin natin siya. Let us start with the first one. What is your name?
Ay! Ang cute!
I'm Hong of Twins.
Sobrang cute! Ito lang.
Isa lang?
Just one, please.
One more please!
Okay, direct. Let me help you. Hindi ko ako naglalama, tumutulong lamang. Marami naman talaga. Okay na ako sa episode.
Ang cute ni Karen.
Alam mo nga akong ano eh.
저 지금 약간 조금 심쿵.
Medyo, I got thrilled na umupo si Queen sa tabi ko.
Ganda.
Okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang. Don't get so flustered. It's just me. I'm just kidding. Pero guys, nakaka-take you learn talaga yung ganito mga moment, diba?
Yes, sana all.
Alright, now. Ayan. Ready? Can you try writing your name? Is it working? Yes, yes, yes. Ah, cute. What is your name?
Chin. Chin.
Ah!
Wow, hindi alam. Ay, ang cute.
So I think at this point, we all know her name, right?
Yeah.
Personal na to eh. Profile na yun eh.
네, 이런 사람들 많은 걸 알고 계시는데 근데 최근에는 좀 잘 쉬는 거를 rest well, 잘 쉬기
Sa bahay lang.
제 관심사 중에 하나입니다.
Isa sa pinaka-interesada ko ngayon lately is to really know paano mag-rest, magpahinga na maayos.
Bahay lang.
I love it. Taas ang kamay ng mga nakaka-relate.
Woo!
I also want to rest. Same, right. Now, of course, speaking of rest, your daily life, diba? There's a lot of things that you can do even when you're resting. So, I'm sure we would like to see our audience, the Kim Ji-won fans here, Filipino fans here, would like to see some photos from your daily life. Gusto niyo ba these photos? Ayan, this is the first photo.
Ano yan? Nag-expect ka.
Ito.
Talaga yan, ano? What is Meadow Garden?
제가 너무 근데 제일 지원이잖아요.
Busy.
한글로 초지원이라고 써져 있어서 그냥 찍었습니다.
Well, when I was filming, shooting for the Noguri Yongsuk, we were doing it there. And di ba pangalan ko is Jiwon. And actually in the Korean fonts na doon sa Meadow Garden, nakasulat Cho Jiwon. Kaya I took the photo.
Ah, yes! There's your second at third character, that's Jivon. Ah! Yes, meron bang mga memorable episodes or moments na nakita mo dyan sa Meadow Garden? Na-experience mo dyan?
Napapaisip siya sa mga tanong.
그때 이제 백화점 원래 옥상에 영주기가 있다 이제 그런 장면을 찍은 장면이었는데 실제로는 이제 다른 장소에 가서 촬영을 했었거든요.
Mamaya ako, naiyak ako.
10월이었는데 거기가 굉장히 예뻤던 기억이 있습니다. 신이 굉장히 이렇게 울창하게 있고
In the scene that I was shooting, it was actually where in the Yongsuk was hinahanap si Yongsuk sa isang department store.
Yes.
Pero it was in a beautiful indoor garden. Kaya I really enjoyed watching those kind of iba't-ibang klase ng mga halaman.
Yung raccoon yun, guys. Remember? Raccoon ba? Raccoon ba siya? Yes, that's raccoon.
Yes, raccoon.
Yes, correct. Now, let's proceed to our second photo.